A bombshell video which Johnny Depp's lawyers say shows Amber Heard assaulted her sister was playing to the High Court as the Hollywood star's blockbuster libel case against The Sun entered its final stages. Hollywood Insider exposes Heard in bombshell letter. This is huge. Miss Heard's sister Whitney Henriquez was questioned on Friday over a video Mr. Depp's lawyers said was sent by an anonymous source on Thursday night, after Miss Henriquez gave evidence that her sister had never attacked her. In a dramatic development on day 14 of the trial, the Hollywood star's legal team claimed the video demonstrates Miss Henriquez was lying in her evidence and had tailored her testimony to meet her sister's evidence. The footage shows Miss Henriquez during the filming of a reality TV show Poolside with Friends, with one person heard to say, "Did you get in a fight?" and then, "I can't believe Amber beat your ass." A woman then appears to inspect Miss Henriquez's cheek and arm as Miss Henriquez repeatedly says she's not going to talk about it. Mr. Depp's barrister David Sherbone said a clip, which was not for broadcast, was filmed in 2006 or 2007. At the Royal Courts of Justice in London, Mr. Sherbone said, "After Miss Henriquez, gave evidence yesterday, one of our team was contacted by an individual on the basis of being kept confidential." He added that that incident in Los Angeles, referred to as the stairs incident because Miss Heard says she feared Mr. Depp would push her sister down the stairs, is the only occasion on which any other human being is supposed to have witnessed, the actor being violent towards his ex-wife. The trial judge, Mr. Justice Nicole, ruled that Mr. Depp's lawyers could reopen Miss Henriquez's cross-examination to ask her questions about the video. Hollywood actor Amber Heard has responded to the claim by Johnny Depp's legal team that she has not fulfilled her promise of donating $7 million USD, which she receives as part of their divorce settlement. In a statement to a publication, Elaine Bradhoff, who is the Aquaman actress attorney, confirmed that her client has yet to fulfill the $7 million pledge she made to Children's Hospital Los Angeles and the American Civil Liberties Union due to financial reasons. Amber has already been responsible for 7 figures in donation to charitable causes and intends to continue to contribute and eventually fulfill her pledge, Bradhoff said. She further explained and said, however, Amber has been delayed in that goal because Depp filed a lawsuit against her, and consequently, she has been forced to spend millions of dollars defending Depp's false accusations against her. Elaine Loss QC, also representing Mr. Depp, reminded Miss Henriquez that she gave evidence on Thursday that she had only seen your sister hit Mr. Depp once in self-defense and that your sister had never been violent or hit you. The barrister played a video to Miss Henriquez and said, "What you're being asked by the ladies on that clip was about the fight between you and your sister, wasn't it?" Mr. Henriquez replied, "We were referencing a verbal argument my sister and I had got into the night before." She said her friends were interfering, trying to make a storyline, albeit a bad one. Interesting, nothing more. Ms. Loss suggested you had had a physical fight with your sister or she got the better of you. Ms. Henriquez replied, "Again, I didn't want to bring a personal verbal argument onto a camera." The court has previously been told that Miss Heard punched Mr. Depp in self-defense because she thought the actor was going to push Miss Henriquez down the stairs at her LA penthouse based on a rumor. She had heard that Mr. Depp pushed his ex-girlfriend Kate Moss down a flight of stairs. The court also heard the evidence from Miss Heard's friend, Ayo Talat Wright, who said in his witness statement that Mr. Depp joked about punching Miss Heard in the face after their wedding ceremony in the Bahamas. Bradhoff also alleged that the legal team of Depp is purposefully speculating about the status of Heard's donation to draw away focus from the actor's ongoing legal woes. The lawyers of the Pirates of the Caribbean actor are going to use these allegations as a part of their efforts to appeal British High Court Judge Andrew Nichols' verdict in Johnny Depp's defamation case against the British tabloid newspaper The Sun. Nichols had sided with The Sun in that case and said, "Her donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger." Following a Justice Nichols' decision, Depp was asked to exit from his role as Grindelwald in the film Fantastic Beasts. Meanwhile, Depp is currently suing Heard for defamation in the British High Court for the damages caused to his career due to the actress's allegations of domestic abuse against Depp in the Washington Post. Johnny Depp has excited a Fantastic Beasts franchise following his failed libel case against The Sun tabloid newspaper for a 2018 article that labeled him a wife-beater. Depp said Friday in a letter posted on Instagram that he would depart the role of the dark wizard Gellert Grindelwald after the studio requested his resignation. Depp said his announcement came in light of recent events. Warner Brothers confirmed Depp's departure and said the role will be recast. "We thank Johnny for his work on the films to date," the studio said in a statement. The third Fantastic Beasts film is currently in production. Depp also said he would appeal the decision earlier this week by a British judge. After hearing testimony from Depp and ex-wife Amber Heard in the high-profile case, Justice Andrew Nichols said that the allegations against Depp were substantially true. Depp had sued newsgroup newspapers publishers of The Sun and its executive editor Dan Wootton over an article accusing him of assaulting Heard. "The surreal judgment of the court in the UK will not change my fight to tell the truth, and I confirm that I plan to appeal," Depp said Friday. "My resolve remains strong, and I intend to prove that the allegations against me are false. My life and career will not be defined by this moment in time." The ACLU has so far refused to cooperate with multiple subpoenas, but documents produced by the hospital and seen exclusively by DailyMail.com suggest it only received $100,000, way short of the promised $3.5 million gift. In fact, bosses at the renowned LA Kids facility, which cares for sick youngsters regardless of health insurance or their ability to pay, became so concerned they wrote to Heard in June 2019 to ask if the pledge will not be fulfilled. Depp's lawyers believe the correspondence is the smoking gun that proves Heard was lying when she boasted about the giveaway, not only in media interviews but in recent evidence she gave to a London court.